Greetings, my dear viewers. Today I shall reveal the secrets of Wednesday Addams Prom Night makeup look. A dark look to embrace the shadows, to be unapologetically myself. After all, why blend in when you're born to stand out?
To set the mood, we start with Bulgarian rose satin cream. Applied all over your face. Now for color correction, a necessary spell to banish imperfection. I've got Nika K NMS 003. It's like the potion that disguises human flaws. Next, this is the HD Studio Concealer because even we, the night children, sometimes need a little cover. Use a shade that resembles your pale, molded complexion. Now I have used this Fist Mist from Clarence, a subtle touch of witchcraft. Now I'm using a beauty blender and using it all over my face. Make sure that the product is blended well. Now we begin with the eyes, as eyes are the windows to our dark soul. For the eye shade primer, I have used the Ingrid Mineral Silken Lip Foundation in the shade Beige. Now for the eye base, I've used Casablanca 108 Smart Eyeshadow from Ingrid. I've used the shade 002 as the first shade and blending it all over my mortal eyes. Now for the second shade, that is the crease shade, I'm taking a darker color, number 03, and applying it all over my crease with a thin brush. Now apply this darkness under your eyes as well, like a veil over a forbidden truth. For the outer corner, select a shade as dark as midnight, as if you're shading your soul. Put it all on the outer corner of your eyes and let it creep towards the inner corner of your eye, like the creeping tendrils of a haunting melody. Blend, 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 but don't forget to retain that deep, dark glow. Now for the tiny window into your haunted soul, use the white shade 01 into the inner corner of your eyes and drag it towards the mid part of your eye. Now to make our cheekbones as sharp as the fangs of our pet tarantula, we use the same palette for contour and use the same shade 03 on the bridge of the nose, on the cheekbone, on the chin, on the temple, to sculpt our feature with a touch of darkness. In Addams Family, we prefer a touch of sinister, even in our contour. So make sure you remember that. Now blend, blend, blend. Blend it all. Now for the palest of skin like a Parisian jaw, I have chosen Ingrid Ideal Face Foundation in shade Porcelain. Apply it as if you are resurrecting the dead. Slap the foundation on your face with all the enthusiasm of a long forgotten ghost and let it transform you into the pale, haunting specter you were always meant to be. After all, the living may seek vibrancy, but we embrace the pallor of the night. And now my face is perfectly pale, a canvas of moonlight, untouched by the sun's wretched light. Now set your look with the NYX Studio Finish Palest of Powder, the finishing touch to your undead glamour. For an eerie touch of luminance amidst the darkness, we will use the Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter to create an ethereal glow that resembles the pale glow of the moon at midnight. Now do the eyebrows dark and sharp, just like the thoughts in your mind. For lipstick, I choose the classic Cool Companion from MAC Look in a Box collection. It exudes a sinister elegance, a shade as timeless as the shadows. For the lip liner, I've used the NYX Soft Spoken. With deliberate care, I outline my lips like a ceremony, where I'm sealing an incantation with each stroke. This is very important for the overall sinister look. Remember, your makeup should be the reflection of your dark and macabre soul. Do the lashes as long and dark as the night, using Maybelline Colossal Mascara. Flutter them to cast a spell on your unsuspecting audience. And there you have it.
And there you have it, my fellow disciples of the night. Wednesday Addams Prom Night Makeup Look. Unearthly elegance, darker than the night itself. For more dark details, go to the wicked website, aishaluxa.com. Until our paths cross again, may your darkness shine through. Bad night.